Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a box in and we're gonna open these little goodies up real quick from the pass around group. Alright, nothing else. I kind of was surprised by this. I kind of didn't know they were coming in today, honestly, at all. So it's kind of nice. I do not remember at all what this is at all. So you got dark bolt design, you got the Arcus, sheep's foot, CPM 20 CV. Kind of cool little box, nice little design. And then this thing is the no information, the layup. Some basketball fans, right? Layups? No? Nobody here? Okay, that's alright. General information, yada yada yada. Put that back in the box. We'll go over this one first since it's already open and out. So this is the Kershaw layup. What the heck? Oh, it's assisted. Okay. All right. So I'm guessing that's why it doesn't go down. It pops right back up if you know what I mean, right? Nope, no one. Okay. Um, so it's assisted. I'm assuming. I don't know anything about this. I haven't had time to look anything up. I know a lot of their knives are assisted, but not with their crossbar lock. Okay, so this thing's got me all jacked up. So you can't push it back to open it. You have to use the flipper tab. Close it like that. Down. I don't know. This thing's crazy. It's crazy. I do not know what steel it is. Oh, it's D2. It's right there. Okay, so D2 steel. So this is an in-house design made in China. As you can see right there, it's China right there. We got your Kershaw pocket clip, normal one. Just kind of looking inside. This thing's kind of, it's not milled on the inside. There's no skeleton. It's not skeletonized or anything like that. But it looks different. If you look, the locking mechanism, there's nothing on this side, but there's that blue little tab right there on this side. So I'm guessing that's what the assisted part is. And I do not know what the price tag on this thing is. There's nothing on the box, right? Nothing. Nope. Nope. So I'm kind of curious about this, how this would be. Definitely I don't like the scales. They're like the plastic, almost like that cheap plastic stuff. I don't know. I have to look it all up. The texturing is pretty good on it though. I'll give it that. I just don't like the way it looks, and I like the way it feels. It sounds stupid saying this. I like the way that it feels, but I don't at the same time. See, nice. It's nice though. It does grip my hand well. It just feels weird at the same time with like the material. We'll go with the material. Nice blade shape though. Nice size too. I like it. It's just I don't know if I like the assisted blade because I like to be able to close it without use the crossbar lock. Yeah, you can try it all day. There you go. Ain't gonna work. I don't like that though. That's weird. Okay, so I've had some old ones, some old Kershaws like that. They're assisted, but you have like a frame lock, and you just obviously tilt it over, go down with it. That's how I like to use frame locks. Yeah, this is a little odd, an oddity. That's all right though. We'll check it out. This is what we're gonna check out right now though. Don't remember this. Don't remember this at all. Okay. Oh, so there you have the design right there, a little emblem, yada yada yada, a little sticker right here. Do not remember this at all. I do like the box, kind of cool. What? What the? Is that the button lock? Oh, it's the button lock. Okay. This is kind of different all around. So you have what the heck? Does it have like 4 different ways to do this? Oh my goodness, it does have 4 different ways. You can 5 if you use the button lock. Okay, okay, let's count them. All right. So this is what was this again? The Arcus. So it looks like G10 of some sort. Yeah, this is G10. Okay, G10, great G10 or silver G10. Nice little etching right there and there. Both sides, all right. I like the pocket clip. It's pretty nice. Kind of okay. So it is a little hard, a little tough. Definitely stiff. Um, Kind of a stubby little blade though for the I guess it's not. It just looks like a stubby blade when you have it all out. To me, for some reason, I don't know why. No, no, I guess it doesn't really. Maybe I'm just crazy. Let's kind of get a cloth real quick. All right, so now let's count how many ways we can open this right here, shall we? You got the rear flip tab, pretty smooth. You have the thumb stud right there, pretty smooth. You have this one right here, the front flip, just as nice. I wonder if you can do it the back way. Oh, I was hoping so. No, because like you with the Diva Lush, like right here, I was hoping it was something like this right here, where you can just put your thumb up there and flip that open. That's what I was hoping for. So we still have only three, and then you have your rear flipper tab. So that's four ways to open this bad boy. Well, plus the button lock. And this is the world's freaking smallest button lock, though. Huh. It's pretty close to the pivot collar for some reason. I'm not used to that. Probably has something to do with the inside. Yeah, I see. Okay. Yeah, it's just how it's kind of made. Not shabby though. I kind of like this. It kind of looks goofy, but it also looks nice at the same time. Like, is that possible, right? I like it though. Overall though, it just smudged the crap up, or I didn't clean it earlier. Oh no, it's just gummied up from use. I'll have to clean it up a little bit too. But yeah, it's kind of a cool little knife. Kind of just different. Feels good in hand. Kind of neutral feeling, kind of. Jimping's pretty nice, obviously right there. It's also used for the front flipper tab, so that's not too bad. I like the thumb studs. They're kind of simple, not aggressive, like going to cut me up or anything like that. You can maneuver it and execute it very well. Also, the hardest one to open wise, like opening mechanism, is the front flipper because it's so close right here. But I can get it though. You just gotta make sure you get it good. Get it good. And you gotta watch. I put my finger right here, kind of when I usually front flip, just to kind of get it to go over. But it's got that rear flipper tab, so don't light yourself up and pinch yourself. It does open very well. It's got a liner lock, obviously, in there. Oh no! Oh, okay. This is like a button liner lock. I didn't even know that, and I even did that too. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is crazy. I even closed it that way too once. Okay, so it's like I guess it's like a compression lock or a compressed liner lock or something. Again, I wasn't even thinking I was getting this. I couldn't even remember that. So I'll have to look up some stuff on this. But okay, so it's not bad. Okay, that's why it's so close to that too. It makes sense now. Everything's coming together. It is skeletonized on the inside, and it feels really light. Honestly, it feels good. Um, that's so funny. I did not even realize that. I even did that. I closed it this way and that way. It must be getting late for me or something like that. I don't know. But it is cool. I like it. I'll have to do a final review definitely over this, and I'll have actually information for you guys. Um, that's so funny. And then with this thing, I'll have some more information on the layup too, Kershaw layup. Um, Kind of just an oddball knife. Not bad though. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm sure it's for a great price though too. I'm sure it's not bad though. Great, probably a great budget price. So from what I'm guessing, um, I was going. Oh, this thing also has like a little lanyard pivot hole thing right there, so you can still get your lanyard in there for all you lanyard lovers. Well, that's all I really got, guys. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, just leave them in the comment section. If you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up. Thanks.